Welcome to Inno Show, where we discuss important issue with some of the most interesting people in the world. I'm your host Innocentius. Tonight we're talking about racism. We have three experts with us tonight to discuss this topic: Budi, Ahmad, and Rudy. They are social expert in Indonesia. Okay, to start, let's get to know our guest a little bit better. Budi, can you tell us a bit about yourself and your work? Thank you for that, Budi. Ahmad, can you tell us about your experience with racism? Fascinating. Rudy, what are your thoughts on racism? Now, let's get into the meat of our discussion. Racism is a complex issue with a lot of different perspectives. I'd like to hear your thoughts on what racism to you. That's a great discussion. I'd like to ask each of you a quick question. What is one thing you think we can do to address racism? That's a great discussion. I'd like to ask each of you a quick question. What is one thing you think we can do to address racism? Those are all great options. Before we go, I want to ask each of you to share one final thought of racism. Thank you for our guests to joining us tonight. It was a pleasure to talking to you about racism. And let me tell you something. Racism is a disease of mind and heart. I also like to thank our audience to tuning in. If you enjoy the show, please be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to join us next time for another interesting discussion. See you next week.